Hello and welcome to your AI Weekly Debrief for the week ending September 7th, 2025. We are here to cut through the noise and bring you the most impactful AI news that's shaping our world. We begin with a look at the markets, where there are signs of turbulence ahead. Goldman Sachs has issued a warning that a slowdown in AI investments could be on the horizon. They are saying that AI investment slowdown could reduce S&P 500 valuation by up to 20%. Adding to the pressure are soaring legal costs, highlighted by a massive $1.5 billion settlement from Anthropic, underscoring the growing risks of copyright litigation in the industry. Despite these headwinds, global AI investments continue to surge. The United Kingdom saw a record £2.9 billion in AI funding in 2024, making it the second only to the US. This investment supports a thriving ecosystem of 86,000 AI jobs across the country. Meanwhile, in Asia, Tokyo-based startup Layer X has just secured $100 million in a Series B funding round for its workflow automation technology. In healthcare, AI is powering diagnostic breakthroughs that promise to save lives. Researchers at Imperial College have developed an AI-powered stethoscope that can diagnose heart issues in just 15 seconds. The technology has been tested on 12,000 patients and has shown significantly improved detection rates. This comes alongside innovations like Acetot's new portable cardiac ultrasound, which is also enhancing diagnostic accuracy for doctors. The innovation continues in preventative medicine, particularly in vaccine development. MIT's new Vaxseer AI is a remarkable forecasting tool that outperformed predictions from the World Health Organization 9 out of 10 times for H3N2 flu strains. By analyzing decades of viral data, this AI can significantly boost the accuracy and speed of vaccine development forecasts. AI is also driving a profound corporate transformation. We are seeing a dual impact. On the one hand, Salesforce has eliminated 4,000 jobs as its AI agents now handle 50% of all service interactions, according to CEO Mark Benioff. On the other hand, tools like Gemini AI and Google Workspace are boosting productivity with new study aids and research functions. This trend is accelerating globally, with 50% of Australian companies expected to adopt AI by 2025, and many are already reporting revenue increases as a result. In the midst of this corporate adoption, a powerful open source movement is gaining steam. Switzerland is making a major push for transparency, releasing a fully open AI model to make development more accessible. The effort, called Apertus, is a collaboration between EPFL and ETH Zurich and includes powerful 8 and 70 billion parameter models trained on over 1,000 languages. This rapid evolution has intensified the war for talent. Apple is facing a crisis, reporting major talent losses to rivals like Meta, OpenAI, and Anthropic amid concerns over morale. This highlights the broader tech job impact as AI automation begins affecting employment even within the world's primary AI hub. The courtroom has become a key battleground for the future of AI. The copyright fight is escalating, with Anthropic's staggering 1.5 billion settlement compensating authors for the use of 500,000 titles at a rate of about $3,000 per book. Beyond training data, intellectual property is also being contested, as Warner Brothers is now suing Midjourney over the unauthorized generation of its iconic characters like Batman and Bugs Bunny. With this rapid growth comes significant infrastructure challenges. On a positive note, an AI system used by California colleges has successfully caught fraudulent financial aid applications 90% of the time. However, the power required to run these systems is creating a strain. PBS reports that the massive energy demand from AI data centers is now driving sharp increase in electricity bills for consumers. AI's expansion is truly global. In the Middle East, Humane Chat has launched a new Arabic chatbot with Saudi backing, aiming to expand across all Arabic-speaking regions. In education, India's National Education Policy (NEP) is emphasizing AI integration, rolling out digital learning tools through its PM eVidya program. And in a push for hardware independence, Alibaba has announced its own new AI inference chip designed to reduce its reliance on foreign technology. Looking ahead, the future market projections are astonishing. The AI agents industry alone is projected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate CAGR of 45.82%. As the chart shows, this represents explosive growth between now and 2034. While North America is expected to lead the market, the Asia Pacific region is projected to show the fastest growth. Finally, this rapid expansion brings the crucial topic of ethical AI developments to the forefront. Public figures like Melania Trump are adding their voices to the call for greater responsibility. In response to a teen suicide lawsuit, which we reported in our last week's episode on AI with Arun show, OpenAI has introduced new safety measures, including parental alerts for children who show signs of distress. At the same time, institutions are stepping up, with the University of Michigan receiving a $19.4 million grant to build tools for ethical AI. Thank you for watching. Support our work by becoming a member. Keep in mind the pace of change in AI is relentless, touching every corner of our society. To stay informed on the latest developments, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next week.